presenting on future trends
Hi everyone.
and technological advancements in flour milling.
Hi everyone. This is Raghav Gupta from Mohini Corporation, Bangalore. So I would like to tell you about the milling trends and technological advancements in the flour milling industry. So currently, the flour milling industry has been growing as the productions are going up, and this is mainly due to the technological advancements and the sustainability done by our flour millers. So India is the second largest wheat producer in the country. So that's huge. And going forward, India has been rich in growing wheat from so many years. Our ancestors have been growing wheat from more than 100 years. And today, India is one of the largest producer of flour also. And going forward, in India, the industry also is going forward by its automation and AI and other technological advancements, such as, first I'll talk about automation. So in automation, I would say the flour milling industry right now, all the new mills which are coming up are adopting automation in their plants. Due to these automations, we are able to get down the cost of production and the breakdowns in our mills, which is very important. Companies like Celis and Buller India are doing a good job in getting those machines to India at a good competitive price, which is the most important in our industry being in India. Second, I would say there's one more new technology which is which has been launched in Sweden. It's called Bomill. So Bomill is a kind of a technology which can actually reduce the cost of production and electricity in our flour mills, as you can install that in your cleaning sections. And if you install that in your cleaning sections, the grains can be cleaned on the basis of the protein level. So if on the basis of protein level, the grain can be cleaned, the destoners and the scorers in the mill can be reduced, which take a lot of electricity in our mills. And if that technology is still in process, it would take some years to get final private commercialization. So if it comes, it will be very good for us. So artificial intelligence is one thing which the world is seeing nowadays all across in all industries. So in flour milling also, we are seeing that. So if in artificial intelligence, if you say, if there is a problem and you feed the data in that, so the computer automatically give you results on the basis of the product. What are the results? So for example, if we are getting wheat from Madhya Pradesh, UP, or be it Rajasthan, anywhere, if we fix what all other parameters are required to make me a bread flour or noodle flour, so that a truck is coming, the computer will tell us this wheat you can blend in silo 1, silo 2, and silo 3 as follows. Another thing is, the next point is market expansion and diversification. So flour mills today have been making all kind of products which are making the needs of the customers, all kind of flours in the market. So another thing what I see is growing is the pasta market in India. Currently, the pasta market is valued at $800 million. And by the next 10 years or 8 years, it's going to grow in two folds. So it's going to touch 2,000 US million dollars. So as in India, in the region of Madhya Pradesh, we see a lot of durum wheat production in India. And that's been used by all of flour millers in blending, and it's going to waste. So if companies like all the big MNCs in our country start producing durum pastas, which is of high need in the country, we flour millers can put durum flour mills in the country, which would actually enhance the value chain of our farmers also, give them more money for their product. And it will be good for us also, because ultimately how much wheat bread we'll eat, we need to eat pasta too. Another thing is sustainability in flour milling processes. Sustainability is important in today's world, as seen globalization, global warming across the world right now. So it's very important we, as a flour millers, also need to take some steps which would be good for the environment. So we should actually, a lot of water is being used in our mills for the moisture addition in our mills. So we need to conserve those water what's been discharged from our mills. We should try, have a recycling plants, which would be good for the environment. Second things, we would urge the companies like all Buller, Celis, and other machinery manufacturers to make machines which are taking less power. Like for example, the other day we visited Fowler Westrup. So they were making destoners. They were working on destoners which would take electricity as much as a washing machine. So they were still on the trial of that machine. But if it becomes a reality, then we can actually get our electricity consumption to a lower level. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Raghav. I request Mr.